will there be a tool that securely imports directly from other program managers instead of using a CSV?
Yes, as Rob showed us, this feature exists. If you try the product, you don't find your password manager in the list, there's a generic CSV importer. If that doesn't work for any reason, let us know and we'll work with you on adding support for your password manager.
Cool. Next one is JumpCloud Password Manager module a separate module, or will it be built in the console?
So the password manager today is a separate desktop, iOS, and browser extension app, but we have plans to integrate the capabilities of the password manager in the user console. So that's a roadmap item that we're looking to do.
Cool. All right, now we're getting deeper. If all the account/password data is stored local on the device, what happens if a user's laptop is lost or stolen or suffers from an unrecoverable hardware failure? Without some type of organization managed central storage of this data, it seems like a major risk.
That's a very good question. So there are different ways to mitigate against that. The first one is to encourage users to install the password manager on more than one device, like their phone and their computer. That's specifically useful if users tend to do work on their phones, like reply to their emails and do stuff like that. If that's not the case, then what you can do is the password manager generates encrypted backup files on the devices that it's installed on. As an admin, you can work with users on configuring where the password manager stores these these encrypted backup files. And that folder or path that you set could be a path that's backed up to a third-party appliance like Google Drive or OneDrive, for example. So in the case of a catastrophic hardware failure and the user doesn't have the password manager installed on another device, then you'd still have this encrypted backup file that you can use to restore the user's access to passwords. Also, any passwords that need to be accessed by more than one users are encouraged to be included in shared folders. And if they are in shared folders and a user loses access to their only device, then when they re-sign up to the password manager, the other users will automatically sync back all passwords shared with that users that are part of the same shared folders that user is part of.
Cool.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.